This is what $1,500 looks like and change. All right, so you guys know that I'm swapping in this B18C Type R engine from an Integra Type R into my LS powered DC4, which is, you know, an LS Integra. So let me show you what I bought to make this thing slightly bulletproof. All right, so new timing covers on the side of the engine. I mean, I don't have to replace that, but it's nice that you can replace it because they're kind of tarnished, and yeah, I just don't like all that dirtiness. And then we got, what is this? New oil pickup tube, a bunch of seals, cam seal, more seals, crank seal, valve cover seal. I mean, they're all kind of just all in there. And then obviously I don't like using random RTV, so this is the Honda Bond stuff. Super nice, and it's gray. I don't know what they did to that engine, but it's got some orange stuff, which I don't like. So I got two of those boys. I got all this stuff from my friends at Belade Motorsports, by the way. So yeah, just FYI. And then this is a new belt. Okay, so this is going to be partnered up with the new crank pulley that I got from Fluid Damper. So I can't use the OEM size. This one's specifically for that pulley. And then timing belt. These, so good, dude. This is the same one that I use on the Miata and also on the LS swap right there. Or not swap, but the LS setup. This is the Gates racing belt. And then, dude, I can't name every single one of these parts because there's so many, but yeah, I spent 1,500 bucks. This is actually a new dipstick, which is already on the engine right there. And then let's just see. This is gonna suck later because I'm gonna have to figure out what's what. But let's see. This looks like, oh, nuts. These are the nuts for the valve covers, or the valve cover. I ordered new ones. It's all together right here.